Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. So glad you could join me right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. It is I, SL Rockfish, your happy hostess, and today we're going to be taking a look at some easy English lessons. Oh, yeah, I know. Today I went on Clubhouse the other day and I went on Instagram Live, and we did Instagram Live with my good friend Paloma, my new good friend from Brazil, and we talked to her, some students, and they said, hey, could you do a beginning English lesson? And I thought, why not? So, ta-da! We're going to try some easy beginning English. Now, if today is your first day and you're like, I already know English, that's okay. Come check it out anyway. Got a little American slang in there, or you can see any of the other videos down below that you might like. I don't know, check it out. Or check me out on Instagram at English Makes No Sense, Facebook at English Makes No Sense, and on TikTok at English Makes No Sense. A lot of shorter videos on those social platforms. So, come on, let's get started. We're going to start with some easy beginning lessons like greetings. Yeah, greetings. See, check it out. Greetings. You know, hello is formal. I know what you're thinking. That's not formal. Yes, but check it out. The word hello is formal. Hi is informal or casual. And hey, I'm going to try to find the pointer right here. I'm going to go with hey right here. I use this one all the time. Hey, that's totally American. Okay? Now, try to get that off. Oop, it worked, my eraser. Okay, so check this out. We're going to practice with the sentences. Hello, my name is Sam. More formal. Now, if you're really formal and you're a male Sam, you say, hello, my name is Samuel. But if you're informal or casual, you say, hi, I am Sam. I am Sam. Or you could try the totally American way, hey, I am Sam. Or we just say, hey. Now, you could just go with a contraction right here, down below. See these two right here? Hello, I'm Sam. Here's the contraction. That's short for I am, because we're way too busy to put the A in there. But you can say, hello, I'm Sam. Or, hi, I'm Sam. Or again, you could go with the totally American, hey. That's more informal. Got it? Let's continue. All right, now, when you say hello to an American, most Americans, we always follow up with, how are you? We always ask that, and we ask it in different ways. We say, how are you? Practice that one. How are you? Or, oh, I skipped that one. Or, how are you doing? Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking to friends, hey, how you doing? No, how are you doing? That's another way we ask how someone is. Or we say, in the Midwest, how you doing? How you doing? So Joey from Friends says, hey, how you doing? But we say, how you doing? I know, we drop the G and we make the U a ya. So we say, how you doing? I say it all the time. Try it. How you doing? Nope. Try it that way. How you doing? Practice each one. It gets easier. So you could say, how are you doing? How are you? Or, how you doing? Now, here's some possible responses when someone asks you. Here's a secret. Shh. In America, we always say, how you doing? You want to stop somebody right where they are? Say, I'm not so good. And then like, oh no, you responded. Yeah, it's okay. We say, how you doing? And then here's some responses. You can say, I am well. We're going to try it. I'm going to go like this first. Okay. I am well, thanks. You? So now you're turning it back to them. Or you could say, I am well. I know what you're thinking. Why don't we say I am good? because that's not proper English. We say, I am well. I'm going to show you what we do with good later, okay? Or you could say, I'm well. Or you could say, if someone says, how are you doing? You could say, not bad, thanks. Or you could say, pretty good, thanks for asking. Again, making your sentence a little longer. Pretty good, thanks for asking. You could do that with well, too. You could say, I'm well, thanks for asking. Or you could go with the simple, you're like, whoa, those other sentences, too many syllables. So we're going to go with, I'm fine. Fine's kind of like your so-so. I'm fine. Now, if you are not fine, you could say, here's a big sentence to practice. I have been better. I have been better. Or you could say, I've been better. Or last but not least, someone says, how you doing? You could say, so-so. So-so. Yeah, practice each. Choose a few to try, okay? Check it out. So-so, don't use that so much. Use that with friends. But you could say like, I am well, thanks. You? Or not bad, thanks. You can always end it with you, and then it goes back to the other person. Now, here's a question. This is just for when you're making conversation and you're introducing yourself. Someone will always ask, where are you from? Here's some possible answers. Now, here's the sentence structure, okay? I am from, and then you put your country here. Your country here, okay? So I'm going to put your, look at that, I'm trying to write with a mouse. Your country here. So you can say, I am from Mexico. But if you're not from Mexico, I am from Chile. I am from Brazil. I am from Peru. I am from Saudi Arabia. I am from Russia. I am from Argentina. Or I am from Costa Rica. Now, you can put any of those there. Let me take off, okay? And you could put any of your, if you don't see your country on this slide, I apologize. I just went with the ones that I hear most from, so I went with those. But any country, wherever you're from, use that sentence structure. I am from your country here. Got it? Next, more introductions. Here's the big word. Another word for where you're from. You know, what country? We call it nationalities. That's a big word, but you see how we got nation in there? So what country are you from? Nationalities. See how national is in there? Pretty cool, huh? That's how you practice more words. Okay, you can say, let's go through it. Someone says, what nationality are you? You can say, I'm Mexican. Chilean, I am Chilean. I am Brazilian. I am Peruvian. I am Saudi Arabian. I am Russian. I am Argentinian, or I am Costa Rican. Now, practice with me, won't you? Choose one, whatever country you're from. Notice, I'm going to show you something right here. All right, notice this. Notice all of the AN endings. Mexican, we dropped the last vowel. Mexican, Chilean, Brazilian. Look, I'll show you. Let me switch out here. I gotta go to my new handy dandy. Okay, technical difficulty there. Okay, so check this out. The verb to be is in all of these sentences. Let me get that for you. Go right in the middle here. We have I am. I did it again. Look at that. I'm so sorry. Okay, we're going to erase that. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, we're going to go there. Now, there we go. See the verb to be? I am, you are, she is, he is, we are, They are. These are all the verb to be, okay? So I am 29 years old. You are 29 years old. She is 29 years old. Whatever age you are, you put it in there, okay? Now, let's continue. Here are some other options. You can shorten I am 28 years old to I'm 28. We drop the first vowel in the contractions. We're going to use contractions. They're less formal. So you can, in conversation, you say, I'm 28. He's 28. Okay? She's 28. It's, like say your car. Oh no, your car would not be that old. But if an object is how old it is, it's 28. These are all contractions. We drop the first vowel, so the I, and we drop the A, put an M, drop the I, put an S. Okay, it's 28. We're 28. That's the plural. We drop the A from R, so we're 28, which is short for R because we're really busy. We don't have time for that A. We say we're 28. You're 28. They're 28. Got it? Practice those. You can put in any number you want. Okay, here we go. Here we have standard form and word form. So we'll count this 1, 2. I should go in order so you can see. Okay, I know you know. But in case you want to practice, you can practice with me, okay? 1. I made it yellow. What was I thinking? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Practice. You can rewind and watch me. Here we go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, here comes numbers after 14, but between 14 and 20, all end in the teens. See the highlight? Teen. We have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The TY makes the long E sound. 20. Got it? Awesome. Let me see if I can erase. Boop. Nope. Okay. Whoa, look at that. New feature. Whoa, look at that, SL Rockfish. That's amazing. I love that feature. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to do count by tens. Let's count by tens. Are you ready? Here we go. 30, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 100. 100. Where I live in the Midwest, we say 100, but it's 100. Then when we have the numbers, the tens, like 21, here we have 31, 32. We always put a hyphen in between. So here's the 30, we'd say 31. And when we write it out, we put in a hyphen. Remember the hyphen. See, remember the hyphen. Okay, we got T at the end of those and the hyphen when you print out. Now here comes some American slang. We're in the home stretch, my friends. How are you becomes, are you ready? Here comes the American slang. You all right? Yeah, just practice it. You all right? You all right? How's it going? What's up? See, what's up is good, but then we make it even shorter. We say sup. Sup? Dude! You good? Practice them again. Ready? Here we go. This is American English. So maybe this part should be American English is crazy. But here we go. Instead of saying, how are you? It becomes, you all right? How's it going? What's up? Sup? Dude, you good? Yeah, check it out. Yeah, it's confusing at first, but if you practice them, it'll make it easier. Just pick 3. That's what I would do. All right, let's review. Talk about yourself. Try it for a minute. Don't pause. Try different sayings like, hello, how are you? My name is, you can put your name in there. I am, put your name in there. And we don't usually say my name is when we're introducing ourselves as adults. We say, or you could say my name is, or you could say I am, and you put in the name, your name there, okay? So let's try talking about for 1 minute. I am SL Rockfish. I am an American. I come from America. I am way too old. No, I'm not. I'm in my 50s. I know. So good to see you. How are you? Good. You? Thanks. Just practice some of them. Try it. Go back to a couple slides and practice which ones you want to work on. Okay? Now, here's my really big takeaway, please. If you made it this far with me, thank you so much. We're going to try this. Let me move this to yellow. Please leave me some feedback, okay? Well, no, that doesn't make a very good yellow, does it? Let me try that again. Leave me some feedback. Let me know how it's going. He's like, no, this is silly. Don't do this. Some people ask for it, so I'm just giving it a try. Let me know what you think, okay? Leave the comments down below. Okay, practice talking for yourself and check out the cute little dog. What do you want to see next? Okay, next one, if you want to see another English lesson for beginners right here, or do you want more intermediate? Do you want to learn about family members and pets? I mean, check out that dog. Isn't he adorable? So, hope to see you soon. Thank you very much, my friends. Peace. See you. Bye.